Hey there, collective! Thank you so much for coming back here in the channel. So, it's really heavily raining outside, no? So, I hope naririnig nyo pa rin ako. Actually, no, hindi ko nga alam, makabutas na yung bubong namin. Tuloy-tuloy talaga yung rain. So, stay safe mga babes, no? At huwag kayo magpapaulan. So, kung kayo ay nasa labas, no, siguraduhin nyo muna, no, napatilain nyo to saka kayo tumakbo. May ganun, may pag-tip. So, yun nga mga babes, no, I came up to this content na, let's see, no, kung anong tinatago sa inyo nitong energy na to. An energy wants me to keep silent here. An energy don't like me to talk, but I will still talk. So, whatever it is, let's find out, no? Ano ba tong tinatago niya sa inyo, nililihim niya sa inyo? What is this person hiding from you? Collective. So, let's all find out. Wala tayong gender dito mga babes. Just take how this resonates with you and into your, yeah, see, look at that. This person is hiding some kind of a truth, clarity, could be revelation, yan, no? But this person wants you to know that. But I'm here, I'm the medium here. So, let's all find out. What is this person hiding from my collective here? Tell me, what is this person hiding? Who is this person? Anong tinatago siya dito? Ayaw niya ako magsalita. This could be someone around you. This person finds you as an empress. Very attractive. And you look abundant. This person is planning some kind of a movement here, but keeping it quiet with this Seven of Swords energy. This person is protecting this information, keeping it to his or herself. Okay? Hindi alam ng ibang tao yung pinaplano niya rito. Nakita ka rito. Nagpaplano siya rito mga babes, no? Na lumapit sa inyo. Siguro kaya niya ako kaya niya ayaw ako magsalita kasi ako nag-iisang spoiler detail, diba? O, diba? This person finds you as an empress. Look at that. No, this person don't want me to speak kasi siguro, mga babes, na mabubunyag rito yung tinatago niya. Let's see. Chismosa talaga. Hindi, ang lakas kasi ng energy. We're in this gives me this kind of message that this energy don't want me to talk. Bakit? Bakit ayaw mo ko mag-talk? Yan. Kasi may pinaplano pala siya papunta sa inyo or meron siya ritong move, no? Yun yung role ko dito. Kaya yun ang gagawin nating aalamin dito. So, we have here the hangman energy. Yeah, this person is thinking right now. Actually, hindi siya comfortable. This person is an uncomfortable position, uncomfortable situation right now. This person cannot make a move, but this person is thinking. This is someone planning. This is someone here having a new perspective, thinking of a different light about you. Could be planning talaga. May pinaplano siya ritong movement, not kasalukuyan siya ritong nagpaplano. And we have here the 10 of coins energy. This is his or her plan to have this opportunity this big with you. This is someone here who could be wanting you to be his or her future spouse, his or her future wife or husband right here. No wonder this person wants family with you. This person wants to be with you in his or her lifetime, and this person could be living in a big house or baka nasa isa siyang specific to, no, na baka siya ay marami sila sa pamilya, no, pwedeng marami sila magkakapatid, no, nakukuha ko yung picking that up, pero whatever the case, maybe this person, itong plano niya, no, is to create this big, no, this huge, kaya naman pala pinakatatago niya kasi itong jackpot mga babes, so this person here is parang kayod kalabaw, no, kasi gusto niya itong i-provide sa inyo, ibigay sa inyo. Tinan mo, ang laki ng house, no, hindi nga yan house, parang mansion, diba? Ang laki, ang lawak, no? At ito yung klase ng relationship, no, na hanggang sa maging matanda na yung mga anak ninyo at magkaroon pa sila ng mga anak, no? This is the type of relationship na walang iwanan relationship. So, yun yung plano niya pala sa inyo. Panira talaga ako. Ganda naman pala ng plano. O, tigil na natin to. Ba't kasi ayaw niya kasi akong pagsalitain? Kasi alam mo, the more na mas malakas yung energy, the more na yun yung lalabas, no? Ibig sabihin, mga babes, this person sees you as the one. This person sees you as the Empress, and the Empress deserves this 10 of coins. And you are that Empress to this person. Kaya deserve mo daw to. Yeah, si Ace of Swords energy, yun yung truth, no? Wala na, sinabi ko na. Bakit pa kasi ako nakikialam? Ayun, Ace of Truth is the truth, revelation, mga babes, no? Yan talaga yung i-communicate niya sa inyo. Yan yung plano niya sa inyo, pero nauna na ako, basag trip. Basag trip kami siyan. Yan. Sa iba, maaaring ito ay proposal. Pwede kasing kakunik nyo na ito, or this person is already around you. Could be a friend, could be a blended family here. Someone you treat as close to you, or baka kilala mo siya, co-worker, colleague right here. Kapitbahay, kahit sino iki. Yeah, and with the tower right here, yan nga yung pasabog niya, mga babes, no? Kasi unexpected sana yung gagawin niya na to, no? So, yan. This person here wants to surprise you. Surprise na nakukuha ko rito, yung magugulat ka talaga, no, baka paghandaan niya talaga ito, lalo na kung proposal ito, no, or date ito, or ayain ka niyang lumabas. May nakikita ko dito coming from this person, right here. Yeah, Ace of Cups energy, see? A lot of love for you. Pasabog dahil mahal ka niya. Minamahal ka niya. So whether you are connecting already with this person in the heart space, or just getting to know with this person here, or just this person is entering palang, revealing his or herself, this person, this is the pasabog here. O, kaya ayaw niya magsalita muna right now, no? Hindi dahil baka siya ay masabotahe or what, kundi dahil pinaplano niya itong malaking what's this plan here, no, with the 10 of coins energy. This is this person giving everything to you. This is this person wanting to prove to you 101% na seryoso ako sa pagmamahal ko sa'yo, na seryoso ako sa damdamin ko sa'yo, collective. Kaya hayaan mo na gumawa ako ng best of the best na plano para lumapit sa'yo at ipagtapat ang aking damdamin for you. Yeah, Knight of Swords energy. Expect some kind of a movement because of this overflowing love in here. So yeah, with the Page of Cups energy, this could be a new energy here for some of you. This could be someone here that has this this person does have this kind of originality. Gusto niya yung parang may touch of originality or uniqueness yung kanyang pag-approach or paglapit sa inyo. Could be a date right here, could be someone proposing his or her love to you. That's the feeling. This person could be younger than you or young looking right here. This person could be inclined into arts, or baka siya ay nagpipaint or siya ay nagsasculpt ng mga clay, pottery, whatever it is. This person could be artistic in his or her own way. Could be in computer. I'm picking that up as well. Could be visual artist right here, graphic design, whatever. This person could be doing that as a hobby, or baka marunong siya nun. Yeah, Three of Swords energy right here. This person is having this kind of sleepless nights right here. Kasi sa nakikita ko rito, Three of Swords to this Ace of Swords energy. Hindi niya kasi alam. Gusto niya kasing i-perfect to. Hindi naman siya perfectionist, pero gusto niya kasi i-perfect to. So, hindi pa siya satisfied sa mga niisip niya. And there's a journal in here. Ang dami niya nang nailagay dyan, isulit dyan. Pero parang, hindi pa ako satisfied. Gusto ko talaga ibigay kay collective yung pinaka-best ko. Gusto ko talagang sabihin sa kanya yung mga bagay na to na talagang mapapakita ko yung 100% ko rito. Yung parang kunwari may mga binabalak pa siguro siyang mga paandar, like may mga lobo, bulaklak, yung mga ganyan, or may pa-banner, no? Hindi pa siya nakaka-kontento dun sa mga pinaglilista niya rito, no, na mga plano niya or strategy niya. So, kaya pinaghahandaan niya itong mabuti. Alam mo, this person really sees you as someone who is really, really special. Kaya ayaw niya yung basta-basta lang naaamin, or ayaw niya na basta-basta lang mag-propose dito, no? This person really is serious about you. I can see big offer coming from this person. This person is nag-iipon talaga siya for you, not just for this proposal or for this grand entrance. Wala namang pa red carpet, pero gusto niya, no, yung as in contento siya, feeling satisfied, no, maparamdam niya talaga sa yung special ka sa kanya. This person here wants to settle down with you, yes, even though this is a new person to some of you. This person is really seeing you as the 10 of coins energy, and with that Empress that I've showed you while shuffling, isn't it? So this person really sees you as the one. Okay? And this person right here values, okay? Values you na hindi ka lang dapat basta-basta bigyan ng okay lang na proposal, or hindi ka lang basta-basta dapat bigyan na basta sinabi ko lang. This person wants to give you more. Taray, nakikita ko dito si the full energy. So, yan nga yung mga babes. No? This person will surprise you, no? With this new beginning here. No? This is a journey, no? Na sana samahan mo siya dyan sa journey na yan. Yan, sa iba, ito na yung marriage life, ito na kayo bubuo ng family, like this 10 of coins energy. For others of you, new person ito, no? Gusto niya kasi dito mga babes na mapasaya ka, ma-surprise ka talaga, no? Regardless, kahit nagbumastos siya, ready tong gastosan ka, babe. Yun yung kita ko dito. This person really wants this fresh start with you. Magsimula tayo sa zero at simulan natin magbilang, no? From 0, 1, 2, hanggang sa hindi na natin mabilang kung hanggang kailan tayo magsasama. Walang katapusan ng pagbibilang, no? Kasi hindi kayo, alam mo yon, no? Hindi kayo maghihiwalay. Ganun yung nakukuha ko sa kanya rito. Magkasama hanggang sa dulo. Taray, no? Oh! Relationship spell ko pa. We have here the Two of Cups. This person really wants connection with you. This person really wants this new beginning, isn't it? The sun shining in there. Ang lakas ng rays ng sun kahit pa sunset pa yan. Ibig sabihin, this relationship is shining. This new love right here brings brand new feeling, no? Na parang first time mo ulit na magmahal, no? So, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no? That this is some kind of connection wherein may pakikinig, may pag ano yun, may anong nun? Parang hindi ko mabanggit sa dulo ng dila ko, no? Parang may pag-compromise na nga lang. May pakikinig, may pag-compromise, no? May balance itong relationship nito, yung nakita ko rito, no? At meron dito na ilalaban niya talaga to. Get ready mga babes, no? Kasi I can see right here. Yeah, ay. Narinig natin yung song na I don't care what they say, I'm in love with you. They try to pull me away. Yan. But they don't know the truth. Yan. So, this person is ready to fight for this relationship. Pupush niya talaga itong mga babes, no? Kaya lang kasi ayaw niya talaga nung parang pinagkakalat niya sa iba, ano yung mga plano niya, kasi baka mauna pang makarating sa inyo. Ayun na nga, yun, no? So, magagalit na to sa akin. Kasi nauna na nakarating sa inyo. So, whatever the case may be, buti na lang wala mga pangalan dito, no? Pero if you feel the connection, and if you feel that this reading is for you, and this is your person, then claim it. Kasi nakikita ko dito, this is the type of person na ayaw niya ng mga panira, no? Ayaw niya ng mga spoiler dito, no? So, ayaw niya sa akin. Whatever the case may be, nakikita natin dito. Kaya naman pala ayaw niya kapag salitain. Ang ganda naman pala kasi ng plano niya dito. No? Basag trip kami siyan. Kasi naramdaman ko yung energy niya habang nagkakape ako mga babes. Ano nga naman palampasin ko, pag ganun kalakas yung energy, no, strong energy, tas ayaw mo ko pag salitain, syempre aalamin ko yan. Ano to? Diba? So at the bottom of the deck, yeah, this person right here is about to release the feelings and emotions, no? Ngayon, mga babes, no, pinaghihirapan niya lahat, pinagpaplanuhan niya lahat, ini-effortan niya lahat ng ito, na see this person is decided to come towards you. Two of Wands energy, and this person wants victory. Panira ka, miss yan. Spoiler ka, miss yan. Okay na, sige na. Diba? Ayun yung kita. Alam mo mga babes, no? Ang ganda ng plano, pero nakikita ko siyang magbabakel pag nagsimula na siyang magsalita. Yan, no? Tingnan mo, sinaraan mo pa, miss yan. Nakita ko eh. Kasi nga kinakabahan siya. Kasi katabi ka nun niya. Okay, comment down below kapag mga babes, no, inyo tong reading na iti, no. I love this for you guys because this is the type of energy here who's really serious about you. This person really wants to grow old with you. That's 101% true. So, thank you so much, Collective. Sana ngayon love and light. Annyeong.